I'm at the Pine Camp Road barbecue area, having some celery and cucumber in dip, and a Great Northern beer. Yeah, delish. Celery and the cucumber in the dip, really good. See that stuff in the aluminium foil? That's mashed potato, and you better believe it came out absolutely amazing. It was actually the highlight of the lunch, was that mashed potato in the alfoil. This is a cup of tea being made for me by my friend, which is really wonderful. It's a delicious cup of tea. That's chicken. That chicken was really, really yummy. There's my steak. It was a peppered steak. I love that onion. Then I had a banana for dessert. We went up to Peachester Fruit Shop, which is a little trip up the hill. I got a salted pretzel, did I say that right? Salted pretzel flavoured ice cream. And my friend wanted to buy lots of chocos, and they had plenty on deck, so she got them. And I bought a salted pretzel for my friend as well, and ate it as we drove across Bald Knob Road. Gosh, my tongue is twisted. Great drive, beautiful drive.